What if we told you you don't need to worry anymore about security problems, inspection problems, operational problems, and perhaps some personal problems?
I think I left the stove on.
Again?
Well, you'll probably say,
How come?
it's because we at Indoor Robotics got someone to worry for you. Meet Tando, a fully autonomous, always-on drone fleet that doesn't get in your way and can be operated and monitored from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere else for that matter. So, as you can see, we got you covered. All you need to do is sit back and relax. Tando, constantly vigilant, anywhere, anytime.
The inspection of mine environments adjacent to the railway is an essential undertaking. However, current methods are time-consuming, costly, and pose health and safety risks to workers, such as falls, structural collapse, hazardous gases, fire, and explosions. Prometheus aims to eliminate these risks and provide an efficient solution for capturing high-quality mapping data in harsh environments around the world, such as underground mines. The Prometheus project is delivered by a consortium of UK industry and academic experts, tasked with delivering a drone that will undertake autonomous exploration and inspection beyond the visual line of sight. To achieve this, Prometheus will combine the latest research in artificial intelligence, drone and sensor technology. The drone will be reconfigurable, designed to be deployed through boreholes 150mm in diameter. This will enable operations in confined spaces. Prometheus has the ability to explore environments beyond the visual line of sight. Equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, the Prometheus drone can explore unknown environments, mapping its own path and navigating in real time to capture a detailed 3D map of its surroundings. The Prometheus drone will have far-reaching applications in many sectors that demand operations in dangerous and unknown environments. It will be transformative for subterranean infrastructure inspection, especially for mining, rail, construction, utilities and search and rescue, with other potential applications across offshore and nuclear industries.